My name is Cynthia Ibenga, BSc English major from SAC 15 Bicol. My presentation in Authentic Assessment in Grade 8 English, Media and Information Literacy. Good day. Today I will present an authentic assessment designed for Grade 8 English under the Matatag curriculum. The aligned competency is evaluate how multimedia elements such as visual, audio, layout, and language are used to persuade a target audience. Context of the task. Students today are constantly exposed to advertisements on platforms like Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. However, many do not fully understand how these ads influence their decision. To address this, I designed a performance task called Ad Detective, Analyze, and Redesign. Target learners. Grade 8 student aged 13 to 14 with prior knowledge of persuasive technique and multimedia element. Learning objective. Student will, number one, identify the target audience and purpose of an ad. Number two, analyze persuasive technique and multimedia element. Number three, evaluate the ad effectiveness and ethical issues. Number four, redesign the advertisement to make it more responsible. And number five, present their analysis clearly in written and oral form. Performance task. Phase 1. Analysis. Students choose a real advertisement and write a short critical analysis identifying target audience, persuasive technique, multimedia elements, bias or hidden message. Phase 2. Redesign. Students modify the advertisement to make it more ethical or truthful and present their improved version through a poster or short video. Analytic rubric summary. The rubric includes five criteria. Number one, analyze of persuasive technique. Number two, evaluation of multimedia element. Number three, critical thinking and ethical evaluation. And number four, creativity of redesign. And number five, clarity of communication. Each criterion has four performance levels: beginning, developing, proficient, and excellent, ensuring validity, reliability, and fairness and scoring. Justification. This task is authentic because students analyze real advertisement from daily lives. It aligns directly with Matatag competency since learners evaluate multimedia element and demonstrate understanding through a real-world output. It promotes critical thinking, media literacy, creativity, and responsible decision making. Conclusion: through this assessment, students became not just consumer of media, but critical and ethical thinker. Thank you.